What's going on, guys? It's Scott the Great 10 here. I'm back with another fidget spinner video, and today we are going to be cleaning a fidget spinner. So we have this one right here, and this one you've seen in my other videos. It's lime green. I traded it. It is very smooth, but it just won't spin for long. So I'm here with Seth. So what's up, Seth?
What's up?
And the first thing we're gonna do is see how long it spins. Just without anything. So, you want to spin it? I don't know if, wait. I don't know if you can see my stopwatch, but I have my stopwatch here. And we are in the sun and it's very hard to see, so you can go ahead and spin it. I'll just start it. I don't even, you can see that. That is really bad. Alright, so it looks like it's not really going much, but it's warping. If you don't know how to do that, make sure to go ahead and check out my other videos on how to warp.
I don't think it's warping.
It's already starting to slow down right now.
At 30 seconds. Oh, 20. Now 30.
Let's see, let me stop it right now. So before time is 36 seconds, and that's it. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna remove all the bearings. So we're gonna move them, and then we'll be. All right. So now we have removed all the bearings out. These are the three on the outside, and this is the one in the middle that made it spin. And we're gonna be soaking all of them in alcohol. So there's a rubbing alcohol right there, and then we're going to put a little WD-40 on it. So there's a WD-40. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the bowl and put them in there, so we'll be back when we're done. Alright, so we put the rubbing alcohol in this bowl, and now we're just letting all the bearings sit in this bowl, and we're just going to let them sit in there for around 5 minutes, so we'll be back when the 5 minutes is over with. So it has been 5 minutes, and we're now going to take these bearings out of the rubbing alcohol, and we're going to dry them off and put some WD-40 on them. So I'll go ahead and get that into clip. I'll move this out of the way. Hey, when you spray WD-40, spray it like in the grass. So now he's just drying them off, making sure all the rubbing alcohol is out of them. Alright, so he's now going...
I feel accomplished.
we're having some difficulty.
Old can.
Wait, move your hand a little bit. So he just spread a little WD-40 on it, now he's spinning it. Trying to get the WD-40 to kind of go in there. Now he's going to spray a little bit more in there. And you do want to spin it a couple times after you put the WD-40 on it. So what you doing now?
Just spinning. Getting all the stuff out of it.
Oh my gosh.
It's invisible. Spinning
Wow.
so fast.
Alright, so now we're going to put them all back in the we're going to put all the bearings back in the fidget spinner, and we'll be right. Alright, so now all the bearings are back in there, and I have my timer out. As I can see, you can see it a little bit. So we're going to time it again to see, and hopefully we got it good to go over a minute, so I'm going to start it.
Oh.
Wait. Ready, set, go. And like I said, it is warping, like sometimes whenever you see it. Remember before it went for like 36 seconds, I think?
Yeah.
Now it is going, we're at 13 right now.
Should have got a better spin on it.
We are approaching 30 seconds right now. Still going, but it is starting to slow down a little bit. We are at 40 seconds. 47 seconds. 50 seconds. Alright, it stopped at 59 seconds. 59.93 seconds. So, I'm going to spin it one time, and then we're going to see if I can get it to spin any longer. Here, you hold it. Hold the camera. Don't get me. Alright, so, I'm going to go ahead and start spinning it. We are approaching 15 seconds. We're hit 30 seconds now. It is still going. We're at 40 seconds and it's starting to slow down a lot though, so I don't know if we're going to be able to make it to a minute. We're at 50 seconds now. Come on. 55. 59. Alright, we hit a minute though. We did hit a minute. So we hit 1 minute and 2 seconds. So it did definitely increase the spin time by half. Wish it could have increased it a little bit more, but that is a lot. It does spin a lot better now. So, make sure to go ahead and go check out my other fidget spinner videos, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.